Hello everyone, I hope you are absolutely great. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Samsung Galaxy AU KDDI network unlock. So first of all, you have to go settings and you have to update your SIM card status. So as you can see, let me try to update. So before further ado, you must have to connect with Wi-Fi. As you can see, it's saying update failed. So what we have to do is, there is no network. So what we have to do is we have to go computer and you have to type over here imeiweb.com. then you have to type here IMEI number, and then after that you have to select the service. So I'm going to select this AU KDD service. Then after that you have to click over check. Then it will take some time, it will take 1 to 24 hours. Then after that you have to go same settings, SIM card status update. So here you go. So after that you have to SIM lock status, you have to update this. Now it's gonna be work. This device saying you must have to restart your device. So after that it will take some time to restart your device. If you need any help, you can contact through Telegram or WhatsApp. Be patient. As you can see, network came. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit the like button and consider to subscribe my channel, and I'll catch you in the next video.